If you're over 60 and feel like your body's been slowing down lately, this might surprise you. In Japan, there are communities where people regularly live well past 90, still walking, gardening, and laughing every single day. And the wild thing is, they're not obsessed with gyms, supplements, or strict diets. Their secret lies in six simple daily movements, movements so ordinary they were almost overlooked by scientists, until brain scans revealed something astonishing. These gentle habits keep joints young, memory sharp, and energy high, even into the late 80s and 90s. Now, I'm about to walk you through each of these six daily movements, starting from the simplest and building up to the most powerful. But before we begin, tell us in the comments your age and where you're watching from. We read every single one. All right, let's begin. Number 6, the mindful slow walk. This isn't a power walk or a race. It's what many Japanese elders call a walking meditation. They move slowly, intentionally, about half their normal pace, while syncing each step with a breathing rhythm. Inhale for 2 steps, hold for 2, exhale for 4. That pattern calms the mind, balances the heart, and stabilizes the nervous system. Studies found that people who practiced this kind of slow walking had lowered blood pressure and better balance than those who didn't. And here's the fun part. Walking slowly lets your entire foot roll from heel to toe, activating all 33 joints in each foot. That sends signals to your brain that improve coordination and balance. To try it, walk for 10 to 30 minutes each morning. Look 6 feet ahead, not at your feet. Roll through the full foot with each step. And if you can, walk on grass or dirt. Uneven ground strengthens the stabilizing muscles we rarely use. Number 5, the daily stretch flow. Every morning in Japan, millions of people start their day with a short 3-minute routine of gentle stretches. It's not intense, it's flowing. Arms, shoulders, spine, and legs moving rhythmically, like a quiet dance. Researchers found that older adults who did this every day had fewer falls, less back pain, and better flexibility, even in their 80s. The reason? These smooth movements keep the joints lubricated with fresh synovial fluid, nature's own joint oil. To do it right, move as if you're stirring warm honey. Raise your arms overhead as you breathe in, lower as you exhale. Gently twist side to side, bend slightly, march in place, and breathe with each motion. It's best right after waking, before coffee or breakfast, when your body's still in its natural healing rhythm. Number 4, the deep squat rest. This one might feel foreign if you've spent years in chairs. But in Japan, elders can sit comfortably in a deep squat, heels flat, while chatting, gardening, even waiting for the bus. It's not just flexibility. The deep squat keeps hips open, ankles mobile, and your spine decompressed. It even strengthens your pelvic floor, helping with bladder control and stability. One long-term study found that people who maintained the deep squat well into old age stayed independent nearly a decade longer. Start small. Stand with your back against a wall, feet shoulder-width apart, and slowly lower down. If your heels lift, place a rolled towel under them. Hold for 30 seconds, then rise. Do this several times a day, rather than one long hold. It's better to practice little and often. Number 3, the single leg stand. This is one of the simplest and most powerful balance exercises in the world. Doctors in Japan actually prescribe it to patients over 60, 1 minute per leg, twice daily. When you stand on one leg, your body makes hundreds of tiny micro-adjustments every second to keep balance. That activity strengthens not only muscles, but also your brain's coordination centers. In one study, those who practiced single-leg standing regularly had 70% fewer hip fractures and far fewer falls. To try it, stand near a wall or chair. Lift one foot just an inch or two off the ground.
Focus on a fixed point in front of you. Breathe normally and hold for 30 seconds. Switch legs. Once that feels easy, close your eyes for an extra challenge. You can even do it while brushing your teeth. A 2-minute daily balance boost without changing your routine.
Number 2. Sitting on the floor. Yes, really. In many Japanese homes, people still eat, drink tea, and relax sitting on the floor. That means they move from standing to floor and back up dozens of times a day. Each transition strengthens the legs, hips, and core while keeping the spine flexible. It also trains coordination and body awareness because it requires planning, control, and balance. Researchers found that those who could sit and rise from the floor without using their hands lived an average of 6 years longer. If you're new, use a low stool or ottoman for support. Lower one knee at a time, then both resting on your heels or sitting cross-legged. To stand, reverse the process slowly. Practice on carpet or a mat to protect your knees. Even 2 or 3 transitions a day will make a difference.
And finally, number 1, the towel twist. This simple 2-minute movement may be the most powerful habit of all. Here's how you do it. Take a rolled towel and hold it at shoulder height, hands about shoulder width apart. Pull outward gently to create tension, like you're trying to stretch the towel apart. Now, keeping that tension, slowly twist your upper body to the right. Hold for 3 seconds, then return to center and twist to the left. Breathe out as you twist. Breathe in as you return. This movement activates both sides of your brain at once, strengthens your core, improves grip, and even boosts reaction time. Researchers found that people who did this for just 2 minutes daily had stronger bones, better balance, and sharper memory. It also calms the nervous system by stimulating the vagus nerve, reducing stress and inflammation.
Do it for 1 minute in the morning and 1 before bed. That's it. No gym, no equipment, just a towel and your breath. So, let's recap. The 6 longevity movements are mindful slow walking, flowing morning stretches, deep squat rest, single leg balance, floor sitting transitions, and the towel twist. 6 tiny habits, each one working together to keep your body flexible, your brain sharp, and your spirit calm. Growing older doesn't mean losing your freedom or your spark. It's about moving with intention every single day. The Japanese have shown us the way, and now it's your turn. Start with one of these movements today. Try it for 2 weeks and notice how your body feels. You don't need fancy workouts or long routines, just small, consistent motion that keeps your body awake and alive. Which of these movements feels right for you? Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. And remember, the secret to longevity isn't in doing more. It's in doing simple things consistently and with love. Thanks for watching. Stay gentle, stay moving, and I'll see you in the next video.